Your lovely, never ever change. Keep a breathless time. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love and the way you look tonight. I think I finally know you. I can see beyond your smile. I think that I can show you that what we have is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love is like a thread that keeps on reveling, but then it ties us back together in the end. In your eyes, I can see my dreams and reflections in your eyes. I found the answers to the questions in your eyes. I can see the reasons why I love sad in your eyes. Would you think safely back to shore? I think I'd finally learn to love you more. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why I love so loud. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore. I think I'd finally learn to love you
Time stands still, beauty and all she is. I will be the rain, I will not let anything take.
We have a tradition in the Philippines that we call money dance, wherein the sponsors will be giving away some cash as an initial property of the bride. May we ask the sponsors to give out their gifts to the bride.
I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believe I would find you. Time has brought your heart from me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000.
Okay, while we are listening to the lovely sound or the lovely melody of Missile, may we now prepare for the cutting of the cake.
Ang lahat ng aking
Don't say no, 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 no.
Everybody hands up in the air, please.
And we'll go back.
Let's join the dance in the grace.
Ready, like I'm ready. 'Cause it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. I can't bring the choir bells sing like ooh. So what you wanna do? Let's just go, 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 go. If you're ready, like I'm ready. 'Cause it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Just say I do.
Hands up in the air, please.
Tell me right now, baby. Tell me right now, baby. Baby, just say I do. Tell me right now, baby. Tell me right now, baby. Baby, oh, it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey, baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you.
Okay, that was enough.
I'm hurting, baby. I'm broken down. I need your loving, loving. I need it now. When I'm without you, I'm something weak. You got me begging, begging. I'm on my knees. I don't wanna be needing your love. I just wanna be deep in your love, and it's killing me when you're away. Oh, baby, 'cause I really don't care where you are. I just wanna be there where you are.
Boom! Balat, ate naman.
My broken pieces, you pick them up. Don't leave me hanging, hanging. Come give me some. When I'm without you, I'm so insecure. You are the one thing I'm living for. I wanna be needing your love. I just wanna be deep in your love, and it's killing me when you're away.
Sige, let's start na. Okay? Isok-sok na yan. Okay, wait lang. Hindi pa tapos. Hawakan mo yan. Okay, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Higher! Higher! Higher ka ba? Okay na ba? Okay na? Higher pa? Higher pa daw. Okay na ba yun? Okay na? Tapos? Okay na daw. Thank you, everyone.
Ikalabing-anim ng Mayo, nag-isang dibdib si Ray at Amy. Sa kanilang pagsasama, isang pangalan na lang ang dadalhin nila, Re-Mi. Ang musika, kanilang nakahiligan sa tuwing napapaawit ng Do, Re-Mi. Panimula ako'y palaisipan, kung hindi naunawaan, you can put the blame Taglay ng aking matalinghagang talata, talagang kayo'y mapapahanga. Parang nakita mo na ang mamahalin mo at tinitigan siya ng walang sawa. Ngunit isang pisikal na anulang batayan, bagkus sa ugaling intelektual. Ganyan ang mga katangian na mayroon sila, kaya sila ay nagpakasal. At ngunit kung pakiramdam nyo ay sakal na kayo, huwag agad subukang mag-aklas. Dahil ang pagpapakasal ay panibagong pagsilang at kamatayan lang makakapagkalas. Inyo bang napuna, isang salita, pinaikot-ikot na para bang naglalaro ng word factory? Kaya isinulat kong tula, sobrang lakas na kaya isiwala kanilang love story. Speaking of love story, isa po yung sa mga kantang Glock-9. Kaya naman, para sa mga simpleng tao na naghahanap ng pusong nag-aapoy, daig pa ang track na may tunog ng sirena. Bilang alalay ng hari, ipagpatawad mo kung hindi mo nandinig ang dala-dala kong mga balita. Gamit aking prison, sasagasaan lahat ng salarin na nag-aagaw sa upuan kahit pa walang matira. Kaya tayo'y magdasal tuwing magtatakip siling, nagsapagsapit ng liwanag, makamtan na natin ang diploma. At sa aking huling iskema, nais kong kayong lahat ay makisama. Pagtaas ng kamao, isigaw, G. Sample ha, Mr. and Mrs.
G!
Mr. and Mrs.
G!
Sige, medyo nauhuli pa. Ngayon, sabay-sabay natin batiin sila. Ingatan ang pagdadala at huwag tumipaalaw sa iba. Malapi?
G!
Malapi? G! Pag-aralan ng panahon at pag-uugali ng isa't isa. Meteorolo? G! Malapapster Princess, ang galing at husay sa pagkanta. Sarah? G! Sa kanilang mga magulang, pakagabayan pa rin po sila. Rated B? G! Walang iwanan hanggang katapusan, parang magkapatid na Mario at Louie. G! Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. G! Maraming salamat po.
Okay, that was a wonderful and fun from Mr. Robert. Okay, we now listen to the message of the mothers. Ida.
Hello, Aimee, Andre. Ngayon, kasal na kayo, hangad ko ang inyong tagumpay. Sana maabot nyo ang pangarap nyo.
Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Sana tumagal pa ang pagkasama nyo habang buhay. Salamat.
Hello, anak, Ray, Amy, ngayon nakasal na kayo. Congratulations sa inyo. At sana maging maganda ang inyong pagsasama. At hangad ko rin ang inyong kaligayahan talaga at pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon. Yan lang. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.
Okay, in behalf of everybody, I would like to take this privilege to send them a congratulations as well. So, Ate Amy, Kuya Ray, congratulations. So, sabihin man nilang lahat na walang forever. Pero, alam nating lahat na merong lifetime. Okay? So, may we now ask for your message to everyone who have attended and witnessed this very special day and this very special moment of your life.
Ayan, syempre una sa lahat, nais kong magpasalamat kay God kasi binigyan niya kami ng opportunity. Binigyan niya itong pagkakataong to para makasal kami ni Ray. And then syempre, marami talaga akong gustong pasalamatin kasi din niyo naman to. Hindi ko ina-expect tong ganito kakalabas na itong wedding namin. Pinangarap ko lang na simple lang, ganun. Pero dahil marami akong kaibigan, marami nagmamahal sa akin, sa amin, diba? Kaya, grabe, bongga. Gusto, hindi, yun, kasi gusto lang talaga namin, yun nga, sana ay simple nga lang, pero grabe yung blessing ni Lord sa amin. Kasi yung inihingi ko sa kanya na simple lang, talagang bongga, di ba? Binonggahan niya. Siguro kasi, dahil sa inyo yun, kasi talagang sobrang napaka-blessing ko kasi nandyan kayong lahat. Yung family ko, syempre yung kaibigan ko sa simbahan, yan, una-una sila talaga, grabe. Then syempre, yung choir, lahat. Yung kuya ko, si Kuya Archie, alam ko, grabe. So sa pamilya ko, sa mga ate ko dyan, kuya, yan, grabe, ayun. Tsaka sa lahat ng tumalo dito, talagang pinaramdam niyo po nga, niyo po kami, pinasaya po ngayong araw na to. Maraming salamat po talaga. Tsaka po kay Kuya Joseph, salamat po sa inyo po. Yan, thank you po. Ikaw, gusto ko sabihin.
Parang nasabi mo na lahat Hindi. Nagpapasalamat ako sa dumalo dito, tsaka sa pamilya ko. sa pamilya mo, sa mga kaibigan, sa mga... Hindi ako iiyak. Papasalamat pa po sa lahat ng dumalo, ulit-ulit, di ba? Sa pamilya ko na dumalo. Nagaling po sa Bulacan, yung mga pinsan ko. Yung mga kapatid ko po.
Ano na ba yan? Dahil na sabi yan.
Okay, thank you everyone for witnessing this one precious moment in their life. I am your host, Jello, signing off for today.
Do